Hi there, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over how to create a nice table in Excel. So first, let's select the data that we want to add to the table. If you want to use your keyboard shortcut here, you can hit Ctrl T. But if you want to add a table manually, all you have to do is select your table, go to Insert, hit the Table button. Here you can confirm the selection of the data for your table and indicate whether or not your table has headers. Okay? And there you go. That's a table in its simplest form. Now let's modify this table so that it suits to your branding needs, your personality, and any other styles that you would like. So once you click into the table, a new tab will pop up called Table Tools and Table Design. Click here, and here you will be able to modify any of the elements, including the colors, changing the banding, as well as removing duplicates and converting your table. Let's start with table style. So here you will see that there's a drop-down menu that you can scroll and see all the different presets available to you with Microsoft Office. You have a variety of different styles, including a banded top line, ones without a banded top line, ones where only the header is highlighted, and ones where the header is a different color than the body. Scroll through and play around with a few different styles and see what calls out to you. For now, let's go with this one. In this table style options section, you'll be able to see the different options available to you with banding. So we can say that there is a header row. If there's no header row, we can remove that. You can also add a total row, which will automatically add up everything in your last column. You can add banded columns and rows. So this is right now a banded column, which is going across, and so every other column is visible and highlighted. If we turn that off, you will see that it's no longer highlighted. We can also add banded columns. So for that one, every other column is going to be highlighted. Let's go back to the banded rows, banded columns. You can remove and add as many as you want. You can also highlight the first column. You can also highlight the last column. And you can add or remove filters with this button. Slicers will allow you to sort through the data and make it more visually appealing. So you can add a slicer. Let's say we want to slice it based on the product. Hit OK. And with this menu, I can say I only want to see apple and carrot and milk. But when I click in it, it's only showing one at a time. In order to select multiple options, all you have to do is select this button here with all the check marks, and then you can select multiple at the same time. If you no longer want to see this filter, you can clear your filter with this button here. And with that, you've been able to slice and dice all the data within your table. You can also add another slicer or multiple slicers to your data, depending on how you want to split up your data. Let's say we also want to add a slicer based on the category. Set OK, and now you've created another slicer based on your category. So let's say we want to select dairy. Once you've selected the slicer, you'll see that there is a separate tab that comes up. It's called a slicer tool. What you can do is either resize your slicer. You can also move it around, and you can sort it similar to how an image would be sorted. You can bring it forward or send it backwards behind text. You can align it with certain elements. So let's say we want to align these two slicers together. We can align to the top, and you can also resize it based on the columns, the height, and the width. Here you will also be able to remove duplicates. If you want a refresher on how to remove duplicates, check out my video here. You can also rename the table. You can rename it to anything you want. For now, let's do product. And just like that, we've created a custom table. We've been able to slice out our data. We've been able to change the color, change the banding, the headers, the titles, as well as the total. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.